Good morning, children. Today we are doing some more questions based on Pythagoras property. So let's start. Exercise 12E, question number 8. Verify that the following numbers represent Pythagorean triplet. Now here let's begin with first part. Numbers are 12, 35 and 37. Now here first of all let's identify which one is the hypotenuse. And as we know, the longest side is hypotenuse. That means 37 is hypotenuse here. So let's find the square of h. So it is 37 square. And square of 37, that means 37 into 37, 1369. Now after that, let's find the square of perpendicular and base. Perpendicular and base, any one of these sides we can take as perpendicular and any one of them we can take as base. So here 12 I am taking as perpendicular. So 12 square plus base 35. So 35 whole square. Now square of 12, 12 into 12, 144. Square of 35, 35 into 35, 1225. On adding them, result is 1369. So here we can see h square and p square plus b square, they both are equal to each other. That means Pythagoras property is true. And if Pythagoras property is true, that means these numbers represent Pythagorean triplet. Coming to part D, 2, 1.5, 2.5. Now the longest one, it is 2.5. So this is hypotenuse. So let's first of all find the square of this side. So 2.5 whole square, result is 6.25. And now let's find the sum of squares of other two sides, p square plus b square. So it is 2 square plus 1.5 whole square. Square of 2, 2 2s are 4. And square of 1.5, 1.5 into 1.5, 2.25. On adding them, result is 6.25. So here also we can see h square is equals to p square plus b square. That means yes, Pythagoras property is true. So these numbers, they also represent Pythagorean triplet. Coming to F part, 6, 2.5, 6.5. Here this one is the longest one. So this is hypotenuse. So let's find the square of this. Result is 42.25. Now other two sides, let's find their squares. So 6 square plus 2.5 whole square. Square of 6, 6 6 are 36. Square of 2.5, 2.5 into 2.5, it is 6.25. On adding them, result is 42.25. Now here we can see this, that h square and p square plus b square, they are same. So result is same, that means Pythagoras property is true. So these numbers, they also represent Pythagorean triplet. Coming to ninth question, in a right angled triangle ABC, the length of legs, that means perpendicular and base, it is given and we have to find the length of longest side, hypotenuse. So these two sides are given here. One of them is base, one of them is perpendicular. So let's use Pythagoras property. H square is equals to p square plus b square. So I am taking 6 as perpendicular, so 6 square, and 8 as base, so 8 square. Square of 6, 6 into 6, 36. Square of 8, 8 into 8, 64. So result is 100 centimeter square. Now as we know that 100 is the square of 10. So 10 tens are 100. So 10 into 10 will be written as 10 square. So 10 square, centimeter square, and this side h square. So we want to remove these squares from both sides. So everywhere we have squares, so we can remove. So hypotenuse is equals to 10 centimeter. This is the final answer.